So I'm in Tenerife. The water is definitely warmer here, and I'm gonna go for an ocean dip. Here in Tenerife, and it is so nice. The water is really clear. It's so rocky, so I fell in, which is all good. But the water's so much warmer than England. It's unbelievable. But you can't beat an ocean dip. You really can't. Look at the bottom. But I mean, it's amazing. The ocean is so good. I feel like I stepped on a stick. But I said you can't go wrong with a nice ocean dip. Ocean dip in Tenerife. It's a beautiful area, and yeah, so good to get in the ocean. Yes, in Tenerife, and just went for such a nice ocean dip. It's so sunny. Well, it's cloudy, but it's hot. It is so hot. It's such a nice change to England, and the ocean is about 22 degrees, so I can't call it a cold dip at all. However, it was amazing, and it's just always so nice to get in the ocean. So yeah, see you later.